So this is what my face currently looks like right now, and we are going to try to get all these things off my face in 1 week. I'll be trying different things and let's see how this goes. So if you are interested to see how I went from this to that, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys one of the things that I used to clear off all the acne and dark spots that I had on my face, and all the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box and also in the comment section, so don't worry about that. So the first thing I am doing is like the first phase of this, which is I am mixing my xanthan gum with my glycerin. I am mixing them both together. I'm going to use this to thicken my marks, and don't worry, this is not like the average turmeric marks you've seen everywhere. I decided to go extra because I was desperate to clear off everything on my skin, and so you guys should just go ahead and watch. I'll be walking you guys through every single thing. Now I decided to use glycerin to melt my xanthan gum to make it easier for me to mix into the water phase. So as you can see, I am mixing it right now, and I'm going to stir this until it completely mixed together. Now once we are done with that, the next thing we are going to do is to work on our oil phase. And as you can see, I am measuring my BTMS. I decided to use a moisturizing wax for this, but if you have the emulsifying wax, the e-wax, you can use that as well. I love this particular one, and I am measuring out my oil, and I'll be listing every single thing I use down below. And the oil I just added was my rice bran oil, and the next phase is going to be the turmeric mix. So I am mixing my turmeric with bentonite clay, and I'm also going to add rose water to this. So I am mixing my turmeric and bentonite clay with rose water. I didn't want to use any other form of water or anything, but if you have to use water, make sure you use distilled water, okay, so that bacteria don't start growing inside this. Please make sure you use distilled water. I decided to go with rose water, but if you have any other hydrosol, you can use that in place of this. So I am mixing it together. I am trying to mix everything so that when I'm mixing all the phases together, it will be very easy for me to mix up. So I've melted my oil phase, I've melted my wax, and the next thing I'm going to do right now is to add my xanthan gum or my thickening phase into this oil phase right now, which is the xanthan gum and the glycerin. So I am mixing it into the oil phase, so I'm going to mix it up together before I add the turmeric mix into this. And once I'm done mixing this, I'm going to add my turmeric paste gently into this. Just trust the process, you guys. It may not look cute at first, but by the time you mix this up completely, it's going to turn out very, very fine. So I am gently mixing up every single thing together. So guys, what I'm adding right now is Castile soap, and this step is completely optional. You don't have to do this. I'll make an advanced video on this later on. I've been trying out some new things, and I'll share it with you guys later on. So what I just added now was my rose water. I didn't add all the rose water I wanted to use into the turmeric paste, so I just added the rest into this. And as you can see, it is coming together. I mixed everything together and it's looking good already. The next thing I'll be adding is my vitamin E oil. Now this is a must, okay? If you don't have vitamin E, You can get the vitamin E capsule anywhere, just make sure you add vitamin E to this. And the next thing I am adding is my orange peel powder. Like I said, this is not like an average turmeric mask where you mix lemon and turmeric. I added orange peel powder because orange peel powder is going to help to exfoliate my skin and also give it a nice aroma. And the next thing I am adding is my honey. So just because I am making a mask, I also want this to be moisturizing. I don't want this to dry out my skin. And the last thing I just added right now is my papaya extract. So I made sure to get a lot of ingredients that are going to help to exfoliate my skin and lighten up my dark spots as well. So try your best to get all these things. Honestly, there is no substitute for this. If there is, I'll probably make an advanced video in future, but for now this is what I feel you guys should use for this. It's really worked for me. You can see my before and after pictures. Like, this mask was a lifesaver. So this is what it looks like. Since I was going to use this on my face, I didn't add any essential oils to this. I have a very sensitive skin, so I didn't add essential oil to this. Since this is my face mask, I normally add essential oils to my soap and scrub, but for this particular one I just decided not to add any essential oil to this. But I added lemon oil and also orange oil to this. I don't know where the clip went to, but I added 2 of them, and this particular mask smells like heaven. Like, it smells so nice. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is simple, and yet this is going to make a huge difference on your skin when you use this constantly. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I always reply every single comment. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.